Hi everyone, welcome back to iFashi. It's so good to have you here. We made this corset over the week, and this tutorial is to teach us how to fix an eyelet on your corset. The eyelet loops that you see on corsets, we're going to be fixing the eyelet on this corset together. So the first thing you need to do is to create the channels on the back piece where the eyelet will be placed. We've already done that on this corset. So here is the grommet machine that we'll be using to fix the eyelet. We'll use this machine to punch the holes and then also to fix the eyelet on it as well. Some persons use a soldering iron to punch the holes, but I use this machine for the punching and the fixing of the eyelet. So now let's get started. The first thing I'll need to do is to create the marks which will be fixing the eyelet, and I'll use my chalk and my tape to mark out a 1.5 inch spacing for my eyelet. Some persons use 2 inches, but 1.5 is just fine. So I'm marking out from the beginning of the back side of the corset. I'm marking out 1.5 inch all the way down. I'll do that on the other side of the back as well. 1.5 inch spacing for the eyelets. So after doing that, you put them close together to make sure what the marks you just made aligns with each other, so that one will not be up and the other one will be down. So after making sure they are aligned, we'll now go ahead and use this machine to punch the holes. If you're finding it difficult to punch your holes with this machine, loosen it a bit, loosen that silver stuff inside this machine, loosen it a bit, and it will just go easy for you. And after punching, you remember to tighten it back before you use it to start fixing your eyelet. So after punching, this is what we have. It comes off easily. If it doesn't come off, it means you did not press it well. You now have to start using scissors to cut it off. But this came out so well, and these are the holes that we created. Mind you, these holes are in between two bones. We created those boning channels when we were making this corset. We're going to go ahead now and start fixing the eyelets to the holes. And as we know, eyelet comes in a pair. There's the big one and there's the small one, which serves as the cover. So usually I place the big one on the inside and the flat one, which serves as a cover, on the outside. Some persons do theirs the other way around, but this one seems very neat to me. So the bigger one is down on the machine on the downside of the cloth, while the flatter one that serves as the cover is on the outside of my corset. So I'll go ahead and repeat that same thing. The big one, place the big one under the machine as you see me doing, then place the corset on top before I'll now use the flat one as the cover to cover it before I press down this machine. It's very easy to use. If you don't have one, try to get one to make your work easier and neater. Before, I used to take out my corset out there to others to do this eyelet thing for me, but I realized it's even very simple to do it yourself, and you have no fear of them ruining your dress. So I just go ahead and fix the eyelet all the way down, and I'll repeat the same thing on the other side when I'm done with this side. Now that we're done with this side, you see how it looks. The bigger one is on the inside, the smaller one is on the outside, and I actually prefer it that way. It's so neat. So we're going to go ahead now, speed up this video so we don't waste much time here. I'll just punch this other side and fix the eyelet on this other side as well, and that will be all. It's very easy to do. Now that we're done with the two sides, this is what it looks like. It's very fine and very neat. If you want to know how we made this very beautiful overbust sheer corset, the link to get the course will be in the description box. This course is currently on sales, and if I were you, I'll hurry to register. You'd learn how to seamlessly and easily make this beautiful corset from the comfort of your home. Within the space of few hours, you would acquire this knowledge and you'll be so proud of yourself at the end of the day. This is how beautiful the corset looks, guys. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I'll see you in my next video. And thank you so much for subscribing to iFashi. Remember, we love you too. Bye.